middle school on three.
1, 2, 3, go!
Something I learned about being on the Columbia for 2 weeks is how much this watershed impacts my life and everything around me, and I didn't even realize it.
It's made me realize just how many things and different kinds of life depend on rivers.
Something that really surprised me was the actual damage caused by the dams to the ecosystems and the people who lived here before.
Something that stuck out to me was spending a couple days in the Columbia Wetlands and seeing the diverse wildlife and just how important wetlands are to the ecosystem.
A moment that stuck out to me is making dinner with the group and just seeing everyone work together and get along.
Just how much stuff we do every single day. All the days were so packed full of activities, and you just never had a spare moment.
Got to spend the night on the beach, and the stars were really cool.
My favorite memory was the dam tour.
Y'all rafted up in the middle of the river and floated down for 2 hours.
15 days on the Columbia has made me fall in love even deeper with our backyard through our communities, our wildlife, and our history.